Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome to step number 7 in how to create a Wix website. Now in this video guys, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at how we can customize our Wix pages. In that I mean how we can add, delete and duplicate pages, alright? So let's get right into it guys. Let's go back to our Wix account. So once we're on our Wix account guys, we can see that this currently is our home page. Now the first thing that I want to show you guys is how we can create a new page on our Wix website. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So to create a new page guys, we can scroll over to our top left bar over here which says pages. So right where my cursor is, go ahead and select the drop down. And over here guys, we can see a list of the different pages currently available to us. So once we have that guys, we're going to go ahead and scroll down over here and press this button over here to create a new page. So let's go ahead and do that. And then over here guys, we can see we have the 3 different tools available to us. We're going to go ahead and select the first one right here which says create a new page. So let's go ahead and select that. And once we select that guys, we can see that a new page has been formed and the new page is formed right below our home page. Okay. Now very quickly guys, we can see that right here we have the new page button on our navigation menu. And now we can go ahead and rename it. So to rename a page guys, we can simply go ahead and press the circle button right here next to the specific page. And then we can go ahead and press the rename button right here. Okay. So once we do that, we can go ahead and call this new page something like, let's say for example, testimonials. Okay. So once we have that done, we can go ahead and press the done button over here. And now we can see that we have a new page on our navigation menu for customers to go to. Okay. So that's pretty cool. So once we have that done guys, the next thing that I want to show you is how we can duplicate a page. So let's say for example, if you want to go ahead and duplicate your home page, you can once again go ahead and click this circle option right here and then press this duplicate button right here. So once we do that guys, we can see that a new page will be created for us and this page will be called copies of our home page. Give me a second and we can see right here we have our copy of home. And it's once again guys right here in our navigation menu. Now like we did for our previous page guys, you can go ahead and rename this by clicking the circle option and pressing the rename button. Okay. Now if you don't like this page, you can go ahead and simply hide the page if you want. So if we hide this particular page, we can see that it no longer will appear on the navigation menu and customers cannot see it. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Now you can go ahead and change this to make this page shown to customers by simply clicking on the button once again and pressing the show button right here. And as we see, it's back over here. Now let's say for example guys, if you want to remove a page completely from your Wix website, then you can go ahead and press the remove button right here. Now keep in mind guys that when you remove a page, the content for the page gets removed too. Okay. So once we go ahead and do that, we can go ahead and press this confirmation right here. And there we go guys, we have removed the page completely from our website. So that's how you can remove a page. So with that said guys, the next thing that I want to go ahead and show you is, let's say for example, if you created a new page and now you want that new page to be your home page, you can do so very simply. So in this example guys, we're going to go ahead and make this new page that we created, which is our testimonial page. We're going to make it our new home page. So to do that guys, we're going to go ahead and click the circle option once again. And then over here guys, we're going to go ahead and select our settings button over here. And then where it says make this your home page, we're going to go ahead and press the set button right here. Now we can see that we have a little picture right here of a house, which represents that this page is our home page, and we can press the done button right here to confirm. Now guys, this testimonial page is our new home page. Okay. Now if we want to go back to our normal home page, we can click the button over here. We can press the setting button right here. And then once again, make this our home page. Okay. So that's how you can go ahead and make this particular page your home page. So with that said guys, that's pretty much it for this video. In the next video, we're going to go ahead and take a look at how we can create new navigation menus and how we can go ahead and customize them. So I will see you in the next video.